how to renovate your garden decking. First, we will need to ensure we're wearing correct PPE to protect us from any splashes or spills. An overcoat, gloves and protective goggles are well worth putting on. To start, we will need to give the decking a good sweep and remove any debris. Then use Barrettine Super Concentrated Decking Cleaner to wash the deck. This is a fast-acting water-based decking cleaner. It's suitable for all decking types, wood, plastic and composite. It can be used on all outdoor furniture too. Just add the water in a watering can and coat the surface. Then scrub the decking thoroughly before rinsing. Just one 500ml bottle will clean up to 40 meters square of decking and actually uses 70% less plastic than ready-made alternatives. Let the decking fully dry and then we're ready to apply the protective coating. We'll do this in two parts. Firstly, we're going to apply the Barrettine All-in-One Decking Oil, which will nourish and protect the wood from weathering and UV damage. As it contains no biocides, it's safe for plants and pets. When dry, it's also beneficial insect friendly. Secondly, to combat any slippery surfaces, we're going to apply the award-winning Anti-Slip Decking Oil. This is used only as a top coat and will add grip to the surface. It can also be used on decking, deck boards, and also handrails too. The decking is now fully protected and non-slip. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any queries on your garden project, please get in touch.